This video will show you how to make a donation on the NuverbPay website. You will have gotten a link to this page, or you might also find it on the Lessons for Living website. First thing you would do is you would put in your name here and your email and click next, and it will find your record and then ask you how you want to sign in for the future. You can either use a password, a one-time code sent to your email, or both. If you don't like having to remember a password, use a one-time code. And that's what I'm going to do now. And then when I click next, it's going to send the code to my email. And then I go here to my email and check what my code is. Type it in and then click next, and now it asks to enter the amount of my gift. I'm going to put $100, and I can either do a one-time gift or recurring. The recurring ones can be at different frequencies. I'm going to select a monthly one, and I'm going to have it start on the 15th of March. And I'm going to click next. And now I can put in either credit card information, card number, expiry date, the CVV on the back of the card, my name, street, and postal code, and save it. Or if I want to donate with my bank account, I click here, look at the bottom of a check and put in the 5 digits of the transit number, 3 digits of the bank ID, and the rest of it is the account number. My name, the kind of account, my address, and I need to put a check mark here to indicate that I agree to have money withdrawn from my bank, and put in an email so that they send me a copy of that agreement, and then I would save it. Then on the 15th of the month, or whatever date you picked, it will withdraw the money from either your bank account or charge it to your card. On the day before that, it will also send you a reminder in case you wanted to change anything. And then in the future, when you want to sign in, you'll do the same thing. You put your name and email, and it will send you a one-time code, and you can check your email, type that in, and then make another donation. Thank you for watching.